Good morning everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I am discussing Unit 6. The first topic I will discuss in Unit 6 is CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. So CRM is the combination of three words Customer Relationship Management. As its name suggests, means we must maintain a good relationship with customer. So what is this CRM? Always when management is written, it is an information system. Similarly, we are studying many kinds of information system in this subject. So CRM is also an information system. ये भी क्या है? एक system है which tries to tell how to maintain good relationship with customer. As we know nowadays, customer is the king of market, or we can say customer is the god of market nowadays. If customer is satisfied, then only our company can grow. If customer is dissatisfied with us, then we cannot grow our company and we cannot sell more. So customer must be retained. Retain means कस्टमर रो के रहे हमारी कंपनी में. कस्टमर मस्ट बी लॉयल. कस्टमर हमारी शॉप से ही परचेज़ करे ऑलवेज. इन कस्टमर कभी भी हमारी शॉप्स को से परचेज़ करना छोड़ के दूसरी शॉप पे ना जाए. सो वी मस्ट ट्राई टू रिटेन कस्टमर बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी ईजियर टू सेल एन ओल्ड कस्टमर देन टू अ न्यू कस्टमर. बिकॉज ओल्ड कस्टमर, आपका जो पुराना कस्टमर होगा, ही और शी विल ट्रस्ट ऑन यू एंड योर प्रोडक्ट्स. बट for new customer you will have to provide much more satisfaction to him or her. So it is better to retain old customer. So CRM is a system, it is a technology. It is written here, CRM, customer relationship management, is a technology for managing all your company's relationships and interactions with customer and potential customer. Potential customers means the persons who can be your customer in future. Okay, so it is a technology, it is a system which tries to maintain good relation and interaction with customer. The goal is simple. Why do we do CRM? To improve business relationships, to grow your business. A CRM system helps companies stay connected to customers, streamline processes and improve profitability. When people talk about CRM, they are usually referring to a CRM system, a tool that helps with contact management, sales management, agent productivity and more. CRM means we have to maintain and manage all our relationship with all the partners of company. CRM tools can now be used to manage customer relationship across the entire customer life cycle, spanning marketing, sales, digital commerce and customer service interactions. A CRM solution helps us to focus. You can write here us in place of you. Focus on our organization's relationships with individual people. So which people are included in CRM? Customers, service users, colleague. Colleague means the workers or the persons who are working on the same level in company. Or supplier. Supplier is the person who supplies raw material. Throughout our life cycle with them means हम अपनी कंपनी से रिलेटेड पर्सनस के साथ एक बेटर रिलेशन मेंटेन करें विद कस्टमर, विद सप्लायर, विद यू सर्विस यूजर्स, विद कलीग्स ऑल्सो थ्रू आउट द लाइफ टाइम. ठीक है, including finding new customers. Here new is not seeing, so including finding new customer, winning their business and providing support and additional services throughout the relationship. Means we have to retain our customers and business partners properly so that we can have good relationship with them, and in the time of crisis, in the time of losses, we can get support from them. Okay, it is easier to sell and satisfy old customer than to a new customer. So it is better to maintain good relationship with customer. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए आपने एक बार प्रोडक्ट सेल कर दिया कस्टमर को एंड आफ्टर डेट यू आर नॉट रेडी टू लिसन टू हिम और हर. अब उनकी कंप्लेंट्स को नहीं सुन रहे हो. यू आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग एनी आफ्टर सेल सर्विस, यू आर नॉट रिपेयरिंग एनीथिंग. आपको कस्टमर को सेल करने के बाद भी कस्टमर को बेटर ट्रीट करना है. यू हैव टू लिसन हिज और हर कंप्लेंट्स and problems and solve also them, and also to solve them, then only you can provide customer satisfaction. And if customer is dissatisfied once, अगर एक बार कस्टमर नाराज़ हो गया, then he or she will never come to your organization back. कभी वो कंपनी में आपकी वापस नहीं आएगा. and if you provide customer satisfaction to customers, then it is possible that वो बार बार आएंगे. he or she will return to your company for your products again and again. So it is better to maintain good relationship with customers. Here are some benefits for managing CRM or for having good relation with customers. These are as benefits or importance. Correct the thing, benefits or importance of CRM. So here are some points for benefit or importance of CRM. Find the right customer. With the help of CRM, if we are having some technology, we are having a system, we can find right customer. कितने कस्टमर हमें हमारे लिए ठीक है, कौन कौन सा कस्टमर हमारे प्रोडक्ट को लाइक करते हैं, वी कैन फाइंड राइट कस्टमर. बिल्ड गुड रिलेशनशिप विद कस्टमर. ऑफर बेटर सर्विसेज, वी कैन प्रोवाइड गुड सर्विसेज. इम्प्रूव कस्टमर रिटेंशन. रिटेंशन मीन्स रोक के रखना, होल्ड. कस्टमर को हम होल्ड कर सकते हैं सो डैट वो हमारी कंपनी छोड़ के दूसरी शॉप पे ना जाए. कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन, वी कैन प्रोवाइड बेटर कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन विद द हेल्प ऑफ CRM. इम्प्रूव सेल्स एफिशिएंसी. हमारी सेल्स ग्रो हो जाएगी. येस, वाई नॉट? बिकॉज कस्टमर इज कमिंग टू आवर शॉप, देन ही और शी विल बाय और परचेज सम प्रोडक्ट्स. तो हमारी सेल बढ़ेगी ना. वी कैन इम्प्रूव सेल्स एफिशिएंसी. Better communication, yes. If we are talking properly with our customer, we are getting customer feedback, then we can communicate easily with our old customer. Better communication, better feedback we can provide. CRM also maximizes business performance. Yes, आपका business grow करेगा. Business will also grow. If customer is coming, we are selling more, then business will grow. It will improve our reputation in public image in market. It will bring market share also. बेटर नॉलेज ऑफ कस्टमर. येस, CRM एक टेक्नोलॉजी है, इट इज़ अ सिस्टम. यू कैन गेट बेटर नॉलेज अबाउट योर कस्टमर. लास्ट, इंक्रीजेज एफिशिएंसी मीन्स योर वर्किंग एफिशिएंसी विल इंक्रीज एंड रिड्यूस कॉस्ट. आपके खर्चे कम होंगे. योर कॉस्ट विल गेट रिड्यूस. आपकी खर्चे एक्सपेंसेस कम होंगे, सेल्स बढ़ेगी, कस्टमर फीडबैक दोगे ज़्यादा, कम्युनिकेशन ज़्यादा होगा, देन सेल इम्प्रूव होगी, देन फाइनली बिजनेस परफॉर्मेंस विल इम्प्रूव एंड योर मार्केट इमेज, योर पब्लिक इमेज, and also your business will flourish or grow. Okay, so these are the benefits of CRM. So today I have discussed CRM with benefits or importance. Customer relationship management. Okay, it is an important topic, just learn it. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.